Orbal ba o talagang kakaiba? Lahat kasi ng Chinese Navy warship sa buong West Philippine Sea naglayasan na. Kahit China Coast Guard wala ni isang makita. Ang natitira na lang ay ilang perasong Chinese Maritime Militia. Wala pang balita kung ano ang dahilan nito. Di rin masiguro kung dahil ba to sa aircraft carrier na USS Ronald Reagan na nasa West Philippine Sea, Palawan. Ang kinababahala tuloy ng mga eksperto, baka mamaya naghahanda na ang China sa pananakop nitong giyera sa Taiwan. Pag sinakop kasi ng China ang Taiwan, madadamay tayong Pilipino sa digmaan. Wala pang eksaktong impormasyon tungkol sa paglayas ng Chinese warship, pero sobrang kakaiba daw talaga ito.
When the President gave his guidance of the shift of the AFP from internal security to external defense and the SND's pronouncement of the CAD-C, the Philippine Navy and the AFP already conducted some reallocation of naval capabilities that will allow us to project further to secure and to protect our EEZ. Rest assured, bago man lang nagsabi ng China na ando na ang Philippine Navy at ang AFP.
Kung akala ng China makakampante tayo dahil nagsilayas na sila, nagkakamali ang China. Tuloy pa rin ang pagbabantay ng Philippine Navy warships sa West Philippine Sea. Mas lalong magiging alerto baka anytime soon may sumabog dyan na malaking gulo. Wala kasing nakakaalam ng plano ni Xi Jinping. Basta ang mahalaga nakaalerto ang militar pati ang US troops dito sa ating bansa. Baka mamaya kasi totoo talaga ang bali-balitang sasakupin ng China ang Taiwan ng persahang militar.
The actions of the Philippine Navy, without going into details, which are already at the operational level, I would like to say that all actions of China that will threaten our national sovereignty, our territorial integrity, and the welfare of the Filipino people will only serve to strengthen the Philippine Navy's and the AFP's resolve to perform its mandate. This will further serve as a unifying call, not only for the entire armed forces, but for all Filipinos as well. Thank you.
Lahat gagawin ng China nang pigilan lang tayong di makapasok sa West Philippine Sea. Pero huwag kayong matakot dyan. Yan ang mensahe ni Commodore Roy Trinidad ng Philippine Navy sa Filipino fisherman. Kasunod kasi yan ng pagdedeklarang fishing ban ng China. Sabay niyan ang paninindigang di kikilalanin ng mga Pilipino ang utos ng China. Kahit ang ilang mangisda wala na ring pake dito.
China is out of tune, out of step, out of their minds. Matakot, magpatuloy lamang kayo at the AFP and the entire government is behind you.
So we affirm that it is well within the rights of our people to fish or sail within our territorial waters.
Recognize ang ganitong fishing ban binanggit ng China. There's no reason for us to prevent or to advise our Filipino fishermen not to be engaged in fishing in these areas. Dahil again, ang naturang ban lamang ng China ay illegal at wala silang tamang basihan.
Binatikos rin ni dating Associate Justice Antonio Carpio ang gustong ipatupad ng China. Fishing ban raw sa West Philippine Sea. Ibig sabihin ba nito minumanduhan tayo ng China huwag tayong mangisda dyan?
The Constitution expressly declares that the state shall reserve the use and enjoyment of the nation's marine wealth in its exclusive economic zone solely to Filipino citizens. Clearly, the President has no power to allow Chinese fishermen to fish in our exclusive economic zone in the West Philippine Sea.
Ano sa tingin nyo ang dahilan ba't wala ng Chinese Navy warship at Chinese Maritime Militia kahit China Coast Guard sa West Philippine Sea? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salubin.